Endo India Power Formulations. They are conducting a walk-in interview for their plant on 9th of this month, I mean next month, April, from 9 to 16 hours, that is until 4 p.m. Coming to the departments, injectable manufacturing department, the designations are technical assistant or senior tech assistant. The qualification is diploma in electrical, mechanical, and instrumentation or pharmacy or BSc. The experience required is 2 to 8 years of experience. Coming to the job description, the candidate must have technical exposure and expertise on unit preparation, stream sterilizer, and terminal sterilizer, should have sound technical knowledge and expertise in the operation of CIP or SIP, bulk manufacturing, should have exposure in operation of vial, PFS, IV bag filling, and lyophilizer, etc. So these are the details, my dear friends. So the interview venue is Welcome Hotel by ITC, 17/A, RC Dutt Road, Alkapuri, Vadodara. So thank you for watching, my dear friends. For job updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, farmerjobalert.in. So don't forget to share this information with your friends because this will be very useful for them, those who want to shift to a new company.